Maruti Suzuki India today announced the inauguration of India's first automobile in-plant railway siding built at company's facility in Gujarat. The unit has been inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi, and the railway siding aims to elevate logistics, curb carbon emissions and ease road congestion. This project is built in collaboration between Gujarat Rail Infrastructure Development, a Government of Gujarat and Indian Railways partnership, along with Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation and Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki says that this project will help the company to transport 3 lakh cars by train, thereby helping the company to eliminate 50,000 truck trips every year and to cut down of annual carbon emissions by up to 1,650 metric tons. The railway siding is fully electric, and the in-plant railway route is linked to the Katosan, Becharji and Ranoj route. The cars from the manufacturing facility will be sent to 15 different destinations using the Indian Railway network. A portion of the car produced in this facility will also travel on the same rail network to Mundra and Pipavav ports for exports. Going forward, the company will be able to save about 20% time in dispatches while using trains, and it also aims to double the production capacity from 2 million units annually to 4 million units by 2031. The company is also in the process of building the similar railway siding at its plant in Haryana. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to TV Auto YouTube for regular updates on Indian automotive industry.